Hey guys, what's up? Today is on a Saturday, the 3rd of June 2023. Yesterday was NFP, and if we can have a look at DXY, the kind of movement it had, let's do that right now. So, this is the 1 hour chart, and we had on Friday. This was on Friday. NFP comes at around my time. It's around 15:30 my time. So this was the movement at NFP. And if you can look at the 4 hour chart, we can see that price broke down below this higher low. That's a breaking structure. So I'm kind of looking for lower prices in the DXY. You can see that on the 4 hour chart and even on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we can see this is an order block. It's a very short block and it's a daily order block. So I'm expecting lower prices on the DXY. And let's look at EURUSD. So EURUSD, this is the daily chart. This is an order block daily. It's a bullish order block daily. So we are kind of looking for higher prices on EURUSD. And my confirmation on the daily chart that will trigger my entry will be a 1 hour confirmation. Let's look at that. So on the 1 hour chart, we are looking for something like an OB 1 hour, bearing in mind that we are already in the one on the daily order block. So a 1 hour confirmation will trigger my entry to the upside. We are looking for, let's have a look at what price will do if it's bullish. Price will look for this area, this 107,950s, and yeah, maybe looking for higher prices, even coming to clear this weekly high. So that's kind of my my analysis. And if in case we don't make, we have no confirmation to enter on the 1 hour chart on this daily order block, we may be looking for lower prices going below, just going below this low on the 1 hour chart. And we will look at the daily. We'll be looking for these lows, these relatively equal lows right here. These are 105. That's what we'll be looking at if the dollar just continues with its bullishness. Because all I can see is that if you look on the monthly chart, I want you to have a look at this. Look at the fair value gap that has been left right here. In fact, I think I can annotate that. I have a look at this thing. This is a fair value gap. And it's a daily. No, it's a monthly fair value gap. So on the fair value gap monthly, this is a FVG monthly. I was hoping price would touch that will be monthly, but it did not. And we have this bearishness. And for an entry on the monthly chart, we would look for a daily and daily order block. Yeah, it's a daily order block. So if we can look at that, if price was going down from here, we would enter on a daily bearish order block or PDA, and it would be just below this low. Yeah, it's just below this low. Yes, so not yet. I think we are still bullish and we are looking to fill that fair value gap. And that's for the EURUSD. Let's have a look again at the DXY, especially on the monthly chart. So this is the DXY. On the monthly chart, yeah, monthly chart on the DXY. Have a look at that. The monthly charts on the DXY, we are kind of looking for this sort of block to be filled. And you can see that prices really wants to go higher from this. I think it's the consequent encroachment of the monthly fair value gap, and it's bouncing off of that. If we were to look at the daily chart, because that would be our confirmation to enter longs if a daily PDA was formed, a bullish daily PDA, but it's not yet. So I think we are kind of looking for lower prices still on the DXY up to just up to this area, 103.47. So that's my analysis for the coming week. And if we touch this, we could bounce off this and move higher for the DXY. We're looking for higher prices. So that's my analysis for the piece.